Good morning, everyone. What daily habits do you currently follow that could be impacting your blood sugar levels, either positively or negatively? Today, I want to discuss a critical aspect of our health, blood sugar, and how to manage it effectively for optimal well-being. Blood sugar, or glucose, is the body's main source of energy. It fuels your brain, muscles, and vital organs. However, when blood sugar levels become too high or too low, it can lead to health problems like fatigue, brain fog, weight gain, and even chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. That's why finding a solution to maintain stable blood sugar is so important. The modern diet is packed with processed carbs, sugars, and unhealthy fats, which cause dramatic spikes in blood sugar. These spikes are often followed by crashes, leaving us tired, irritable, and craving more sugar. Over time, this cycle strains the pancreas, which produces insulin, leading to insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. But here's the good news. Blood sugar issues are preventable and reversible with the right strategies. Eat balanced meals. Focus on meals that include lean proteins, healthy fats, and high-fiber carbohydrates. For example, swap white bread for whole grain alternatives and add leafy green vegetables, or avocado to keep your blood sugar stable. Reduce added sugars. Limit sugary drinks, candies, and processed snacks. Instead, opt for natural sweeteners like stevia or whole fruits, which contain fiber to slow sugar absorption. Exercise regularly. Physical activity helps your muscles use glucose for energy, reducing blood sugar levels. Even a 15-minute walk after meals can have a significant impact. Manage stress. Chronic stress can raise blood sugar by increasing cortisol levels. Practice mindfulness, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to lower stress and improve your blood sugar balance. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can lead to higher blood sugar levels. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to support glucose regulation. Monitor blood sugar levels. Whether you're diabetic or not, it's important to track how your body reacts to certain foods and activities. Wearables or occasional finger prick tests can help you identify patterns. In addition to lifestyle changes, certain supplements can support blood sugar balance. For example, magnesium helps improve insulin sensitivity. Chromium supports glucose metabolism. Cinnamon, studies suggest it may lower fasting blood sugar levels. However, always consult a healthcare provider before adding supplements to your routine. Implementing these solutions doesn't just improve blood sugar. It can enhance your energy, focus, and even your mood. Over time, you'll reduce your risk of chronic conditions and enjoy a more vibrant life. The key to solving blood sugar issues lies in taking proactive steps today. With balanced nutrition, regular exercise, stress management, and hydration, you can stabilize your blood sugar and take control of your health. Let's prioritize our well-being and take one step at a time toward a healthier future. Thank you. Help me to grow this channel, like, share, comment, and subscribe.